for coming few minutes. Let me take out time to watch and feel my existence. Create love for yourself. Taking out time to embrace your own presence is self-love, and I appreciate my efforts to sit with myself. Have a very clear picture of your mind in front of you. It's just like me sitting in front of me, a mirror image. Where I cannot hide anything because it's a mirror image. Both sides are aware of the feelings. Both sides know the answer. And both sides know the pain. Both sides know the solution. When I free myself from the world around, I sit with me, for me. Have a very clear picture of you in front of you. This picture is this physical body picture as well as the mind's picture. The waves of the mind waves are sometimes silent, sometimes at its peak of expectations, sometimes spiritual, sometimes questions. There are waves of different thoughts in my mind I can see. I first appreciate that I can see them. There are many quality of thoughts, but my first response when I see them is I'm honest with myself. That's my appreciation for myself. Watch each of them gently. It's just like a garden where there are beautiful flowers, where there are some thorns also. Some selected flowers, some unwanted weeds. But the important part is it's my garden. So I do not reject thorns. Accept every thought. I accept each and every thought of my own mind. It's my creation. Now visualize all these thoughts were created by me in a force of a situation where I was standing in front of situation as an image of situation. Now detach yourself from that image and see worry, expectation, wisdom, clarity, anxiety. These are different spectrum of my own creation in different scenes of life. I just have to simply say to myself, I am powerful now. It's an answer to all my creations in my past. I chose myself to be powerful now. I give answer to all the force of past. I am easy. Thoughts of past may come again. I'm going to stand with those thoughts with new frame of mind. I am powerful now. Because I do not reject my past responses, so I can create a new response for those scenes now. Rejecting my past is keeping myself in past. Accepting is creating a new response, fresh response, and moving ahead. I am free from rejecting. I accept, so I am free. I set myself liberated, and I feel myself in this moment powerful. Om Shanti.